Yeah, hi friends. Can someone please confirm if you're able to hear me?
जब स्मार्टफोन पर मिलेगा अप टू 35% ऑफ, तब शुरू होगी त्योहार की असली तैयारी। जियो मार्ट त्योहार रेडी सेल के साथ 30 सितंबर से 2 अक्टूबर। डाउन
Yeah, hi friends. Can someone please confirm if you're able to hear me?
जब स्मार्ट
Okay, still there is some background voice, right? So let me correct my audio. So let me know if the audio is clear now. Is it fine now? Still, is it echoing or is it fine? Maybe the best experience would be, I mean, if you can just plug in your audio or your earphones. I'm not sure why that echo is there. Okay. How is the audio now? So okay, I'll just keep talking, right? So just let me know if you're able to hear me properly. I'm not sure like what is the issue at my end. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let me plug in the earphone. Deepu, Deepu. Is it audible now? I've just changed my mic. Okay, I think the audio is fine right now. Can someone please confirm? Sorry. Okay. So except Anmantu, others, can you please confirm if the audio is clear? Okay, great. So guys, I think this is purely maybe for next 30 minutes based on your what do we say, right? Convenience, your feasibility, right? This is only for you guys. Okay. So the purpose of having this meeting is okay, how to see, basically we'll just start with the next week market view and then I'll just open it for the Q&A. So let's discuss like how exactly you want the Telegram channel to be, because I'm getting many comments from majority of the viewers saying that we need to have a Telegram channel wherein even you guys can share your views. Point number one. And the other comments what I'm getting is, see, I have been like sharing you all my trades with you, but I've been like trading many trades. You know, right? This is my experimental trades basically. So every video I keep telling you that I cannot give you the live trade updates because I'm not a full-time trader. So I don't want your money to be put on risk. Let's say if I'm taking a trade, if I'm not able to give you the timely updates, right? So I can take that risk basically because I know my risk. I'm playing with only single lots. So this is basically a experimental trades for me for another 6 months. But still, if you want to uh, let me know like how should we plan the Telegram channel. So should we open my Telegram channel for two-way communication, or do you want a dedicated channel wherein like everyone can share your views? See, if I make the main channel two-way communication, right, definitely, you know, right, already I am putting too many updates over there, and if you guys start putting updates, right, so that will become a mess. So rather than that, can we open a separate channel, one more channel, so wherein everyone can share their experience? So what is your take on that? So shall we go for separate channel? If everyone says okay, I think we can do that. All right. So maybe before I get all the answers from you guys, so let me quickly take you to the next week market view. I'll not take more than 5 minutes, and then we will get on to the Q&A session. Okay, so let me take you to the next week market. So before we come up with the Q&A, okay. See, basically what we have to do is like you go to Sensible or any other tool. So I'll just show you how to do the market analysis. Okay, you have to go to Sensible tool, go here and click on the open interest. So first what I'll do is like first I'll go to the open interest. Okay, first we'll check for the Nifty. Okay, so first this particular section is for the intraday. So this was for the Friday. If you look at this date, this is for Friday, and this is the overall open interest for the next week expiry. So if you look at this Friday, right, let me show you my this thing also. What is that? The view of the market. Okay, let me take you to Friday. How was the Nifty? So Nifty was bullish on Friday. See, Nifty took a support. So this is what, if you look at the open interest for the intraday, obviously you have more put built up on the intraday, 37.2 million, and obviously only 19.0 million call. So it clearly says that on Friday market was very bullish. If you look at this red color, right, so red color is your put, call, and green color is your put. So if you look at this, this is the call unwinding. That's it. Because people who went for with a view of market will go down. So those people, those, it can be FIs, it can be retailers, everyone were unwinding their position because market went up. You know, right? Market was standing where? Market was standing somewhere at 16,750. If you look at this 16,750, right? This is where, right? People who went for shorting, all the selling the call, so they started unwinding because market all of a sudden went up, right? On the intraday, it clearly shows that market was very bullish because you have more put. If you look at the overall historical for the next week expiry, it clearly says that maybe see market has already given you, right, a moment of almost 1.65%. If you look at this, 1.64%. Maybe looking at the open interest, it can be the 60 lakhs calls built up and 68 lakhs million total. So for me, next week at least Monday looks like sideways to mild bullish. I would not say super bullish. I'll not say bearish. I would say sideways to mild bullish because there is a net equal. Okay, let me quickly take you to Bank Nifty. Same thing, Bank Nifty also, if you look at the intraday, see there were like too many call unwinding because if you see the Bank Nifty made a movement of almost 2.61. So when Bank Nifty opened on Friday, it was 37,400. See, if you look at this, people who went for 36,400, right? So those people started unwinding because market was standing here somewhere and then market kept going up. So that's what you see, that more of put built up and less of call built up because people started unwinding their already existing positions. This was the intraday. Now looking at the overall historical for the next week expiry, even I would say Bank Nifty will also be sideways to bullish because we do not have much difference. See 25 okay, let me audio is fine, right friends? Even last time we had a very echo. So I have a close friend this thing, so please do not hesitate to call me in case if there, because when I'm talking about this thing, so I'm not looking at the Q&A, so I'm just focusing on the screen. If there is a audio issue, you guys can just comment it. Okay, I'll just finish it off the view in another 2 minutes. Okay, so for Monday, the Bank Nifty looks sideways to mild bullish. Okay, now this is your open interest. Now what I'll do, I'll just take you to FIS. Even this is important. If I take you to the FIS data, right? So this is the outstanding, meaning this is the outstanding means like what happened on the Friday. See, this clearly shows Friday. So if you look at the FIS, right, I would recommend you guys to watch my I've already made a video on how to do the FII analysis. So when you come to this page, you should not be analyzing from a seller perspective. It clearly says you have to analyze this entire analysis. You have to analyze from a buyer and from a buyer's perspective. So when we say we have 1.8 lakh quantity call buy, that is market is bullish. You should not be considering the FIS analysis in terms of seller. You have to consider in terms of buyer. So this says bullish. and this says bearish. So if you look at the net, this is 1 lakh and this is 2.4 lakh. So you can still consider it has to be bearish because there is like more of put buy, right? You see this, there was more of put buy. So net this says market is bearish for next week expiry. Even if you look at this red color, this red color is put buy, not put sell. Dear friends, this is put buy. So looking at this thing, there are like more put buys from the FIS, right? Point number one. Second point is this is historical. This is the intraday. This is on the intraday. What happened on the what do we say Friday, and this is for the historical. So 31,000 bullish, and also even this says bullish actually. So if you look at this minus, so people who went for long put up, right, they started unwinding. So basically even this says that a market is going to be like bullish. Okay, but this is a parameter. So FIS went long in futures, right? So there is a contra. That's what I keep telling, that maybe Monday it could be sideways to mild bullish, right? So this is done, right? Quickly I'm done with the analysis, right? We have seen the open interest, we have seen the FIS, and this is a contra actually. So even if this was minus, if FIS went like for shorting, at least we can say that okay, market will be like sideways to bearish. But this guys FIS went for a long, so I think market is going to be like sideways to bullish. Okay, that's done. And looking at the chart, okay, looking at the chart, see this is your bank nifty. So for me, I went, see if you look at my chart, right, when Friday, when Thursday market was standing here, I went for a put debit split. Okay, I went for this. Let me show you my trade and then I'll jump on to the Q&A. Okay, where is my position? This one. Okay, this is my real trade, friends. So this is my real, I'm showing you from position. Okay. So basically I've taken a put call debit split. See, this was my original 38,300 and 38,800 was my original debit split, and later as and when the market kept moving, I've just converted this to a butterfly. So I'm not going to discuss about my trade, but why I went for call debit split is with this view, because market was standing here. Simple, friends, market was standing here. You know, right? I'm an opportunist. Based on the price action, I go for the trade deployment. Okay, so why I went for call debit split is market was standing here, somewhat something like this. Market was standing something like that. So this was the view. Okay, this was my view. So I do not know whether market will make it 2.5%. See, already it made a 2.5% upside only on Friday. But I cannot predict the market. I add only the view, right? I cannot predict the market. No one should say that I have the ability to predict the market. I keep on selling. Even the Amazon CEO or the Microsoft CEO doesn't even know where his share will go for the next microsecond. Forget about next 1 minute microsecond. So predicting is the wrong one. So what I've done is, like, when market was standing here, I've just deployed a call debit split. I know if the market goes up, I'll get into profit. That's what happened to my trade, right? I got 6% profit with just overnight trade. All right. And just in case, if the market had broken out this, right, it has given a break down, right, what I'll do, I can just convert this particular debit split to, I would have converted it to ratio split just to mitigate the loss. That's it. This is what's my view, right? If you have your own views, friends, do not ignore the power of price action. See, again I'm telling you, so we have like 31 watchers. I'm telling you, if you're ignoring the price action, you'll not sustain in the market. Write it on a bond paper, write it on a stone. That's it. There is no exception. Price action is must. Price action is must. I keep on telling you. Okay. So this is my trade basically. So now I'll come to the Q&A. So before I start the Q&A, right, so what I'm planning to do is, like, I've prepared one slide. So I know, see, I know, right, I am sharing you all the trades with you, but I'm sharing you once I deploy the trade, because I don't want to put your hard-earned money onto risk in terms of giving you tips. I do not like the tips. I want everyone to become an independent trader. So what I'm planning to do is, friends, what I'm planning to do is, like, already I made 400 plus videos. I know I've done, I think if someone is starting the trading experience, right, I think for you, almost like 3 months to 6 months of videos are there. You name the strategy right from your iron fly, your calendar spreads, your strangle, straddle, your butterfly, debit spread. I mean, you name the strategy, you have all the end-to-end videos with you guys. I think it will take another minimum 3 months to 6 months for someone to watch all those videos. So do not ask me to make many videos, because if you're watching those videos only once, you'll not get anything. Because when I started my journey, believe me, I have two gurus. One is Riyansh. See, I do not hesitate. Seriously, I'm telling. I do not hesitate. In my life, I'll say Riyansh is my first guru. Kapil Dama is my second guru. Right? I used to watch their videos 10 times, 15 times. Believe me, this is what I've done, friends. This is what I have done. You believe or not, every video I used to watch at least 10 to 15 times. As and when I watch their videos, right? Every time I tend to get some new things. Whenever they're telling some simulation, even I used to parallelly put those simulations in my Opstra. I used to do parallelly with them. Pause the video, do the simulation, right? If Riyansh or Kapil says that, okay, do this reverse buying, right? If they said that do the reverse buying for 100 points, I'll not do for 100 points. I'll do it for 100 points. I'll do it for 50 points. I'll do it for 200 points. Right? I'll just try to do the adjustments in such a way that because I want to get that real time experience. Okay. So now what I meant to say is like already you have 400 of videos. Second thing is like, yeah, I'm just focusing my shifting my focus to Telugu videos. But believe me, I'll keep you. I'll keep all the non-Telugu audience, be it Hindi or be it English. I'll keep you all engaged. That is the commitment from my side. Though I'm shifting my focus to Telugu, that doesn't mean that I'll stop making the videos. I have another 10 videos in my YouTube channel. So I wanted to launch it very slowly because there is general complaint from many of the viewers saying that you are releasing too many videos. We are not getting time to refer all those videos. I mean, by the time we watch one video, you're releasing two more videos. Yes, to some extent, it's a fair point. But again, I'm telling you, friends, do not look at the number of videos. You should have your plan ready with you. Even I'm releasing 100 videos, it is not mandatory for you guys to see all those 100 videos, right? Those 100 videos will be like segregated into debit spread, credit spreads, iron fly, right? If someone is interested to go for iron fly, watch only iron fly. Do not attempt to watch all the strategies at once. That's what I'm telling you. Have 3 months to 6 months. I would say you have 6 months to 1 year of videos already in my repository, in my YouTube channel, right? Can you guys at least tell me yes or no, at least for this point? Right, you have all the videos with you. Okay, so I wanted this to be like more interactive, okay, rather than me talking. The second thing is like I'm planning to come with a quiz. Okay, even that will be in the form of a separate app. I'm looking out for separate app, or else I've given it a try, but again, just to make it very user friendly, so I'm planning to come with Google Form. So what I'm trying to do is like whatever quiz program I've made, I have already made 500. I have another 1,000 real time scenario based quiz. So what I'm trying to do is like the way I've shared you today, right? This one, right? This is I'm doing for you, friends. Honestly telling, if you are not taking the advantage of this services, right? So there is no point me in making all the videos, because I'm not charging anything from you guys. Because what did I say? It's learn and earn. So maybe I'm not sure when my learning will stop, but until I'm learning, I'll be sharing. So what I'm planning to come is like same way. So I'll come. This is a sample one. This is a quiz sample one. Let's say I'll start with debit spread. So I'll make 100 to 200 quiz on the debit spread, but I'll not make. So I'll ensure that I'm just making 10 to 15 questions. Right? This is how the format looks. So whenever you're taking the quiz, if I want, so this is how it looks, right? As an option seller, right? You have to just let's say randomly I'm picking. I'll not go, right? You have to take the quiz the way I'm showing. I'll ensure that there are not more than 15 questions, but you'll have all the end-to-end questions. The moment I submit, what happens is you can see your score on flight. That's it. So whenever this is a wrong answer, I'm also giving you the right answer. This is only a sample, friends, but I'll ensure that I'll give you more detailed explanation, because I'm just doing it as a sample. I've just given you less explanation, but believe me, I'll give you more explanation. Okay, so that would help you basically. If you're wrong, that will help you. See, stop loss, I'll give you explanation. Same thing. Rising wicks, I'll give you explanation. Even here, I'm giving you my explanation, that feedback, what is right, what is wrong. So this way, you'll get 500, and then by the time you finish your 500 quiz, you'll have another 500 ready. Because whenever I come across any pain point, I'll ensure that I'll make a quiz. See, I'll tell you honestly. Today morning, I've shared you this. See, I love this video. Seriously, I'm telling. I do not watch many interviews. Okay, where is that? Gansham Tech, right? See, seriously, I mean, I fell in love with that guy. So seriously, the way, not for his strategy, but where did I share that? This guy, right? Please watch this interview with Vivek Bharadwaj. What this Gansham Tech? I mean, I do not know. I've seen like many people criticizing him. But believe me, friends, I love this interview because not because of his crores of profit or not because of his strategy, but he said one thing. Today I'm making crores of rupees in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Right? All the retailers, all the janta would look him as if he's doing some magic. No, but what he said is like, for me to see this day, there is 13 years of effort. No one even considered that. Not all these retailers will think that Ghanshyam Tech has spent like 13 hours, 13 years. And even Vivek Bharadwaj has asked him that question, saying that once you're done with the market hours, what are you? You know, one of the email I've seen that is paying more income tax than the famous actress like Alia Bhatt and what's it? I mean, majority of the film actors, right, is paying more tax, income tax than them. So if he want, he can enjoy his life. But post market, he said he will analyze the chart daily for 8 hours. He is analyzing the chart. See, friends, I'm not giving you bhashan. I'm not an expert trader, but what I want to tell you from this video is miracle can happen, but provided you are putting your effort. If you're and even he said one thing, right? People come to trading to get the money, to earn the money. Yes, money is there in the market, but provided if you're putting your effort, right, you have to at least put 1 year, 2 year, 3 years of effort. So then you'll, but you know, right, 99% of the people come into market expecting put a 1 rupee, tomorrow they want, forget about tomorrow, today they want 2 rupees, they want to double it, that's it, without exploring the market. Okay, so I'll not waste your time, guys. I think when I talk I cannot stop myself. Okay, so this is one thing what I'm trying to come up. You can expect 500, 600, 800, all real time quiz. I'll share the payoff graph with you. I'll ask you what adjustments we need to do, right? And then Uh, so what do you say, friends? See, there was one genuine comment from one of the viewers saying that, see, boss, you're making too many, you're sharing too many trades in Telegram, right? We are not able to follow. Even they go to office, right? By the time they come end of the day, so there are like 15, 20, 30 messages, right? Because I share my trade, I share my trade logic, I share my videos and everything, right? So what he said is like, can I make a video of all the trades weekly every Saturday? I'll make a weekly right from the start till the closure. Or you want a daily 2 minutes video daily? See, 2 minutes videos I can make it. Honestly, Philip, that's not a big deal for me. So do you want to make a 2 minutes video daily just to explain the trade logic, whatever trade I've taken? Or else you want one dedicated video every weekend. Let's say I'm taking a trade on Thursday, so that trade logic I'll tell you next Saturday, the moment I close the trade. It can be profit, it can be loss. So what is your take? So should I make daily video, daily 2 minutes video, or weekly one video? I'll just give it a pause because there will be like 20-second delay. Okay, so okay, I'll just open it for the Q&A. So let's talk about this point and then we'll slowly move on to the other point. So do you need 2 minutes video or weekly one video wherein I'll be covering the entire video? Okay, Vikas says 2 minutes video daily. Okay, 2 minutes video daily. Okay, Bhavin also says. See, for me it doesn't matter. Even 31 viewers are watching because I'm right because you take daily trades. Okay, 2 minutes video with possible adjustments. Okay, also hold overnight trades. Daily to okay, I think majority. Okay, I'll just see that whether based on my timing, my see what happens is like evening I'm very much busy. Post 5 o'clock till 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, I have back to back calls. Okay, so let me see. Okay, at least I got majority of the response in the 2 minutes video. Okay, let me do that. But I need good response from you guys also, right? Now, second thing is like every Saturday, can we have a live session for 30 minutes? That's it, only 30 minutes, wherein we will be discussing about the next week view, and also every Saturday we will discuss about the potential strategies for the next week. I think we did this like 2 weeks before, but even I got busy with all the weekends. So can we have a dedicated session every Saturday at same 9 o'clock? Just a 30-minute session. We'll discuss about the way we have done next week analysis followed by potential strategies for the next week. Can someone say yes or no? Right, but okay. So this is end of the day. This is learn and earn together. Even I'm still into that learning phase. Okay, okay, great. Okay, even if I have 20 participants, I'm okay, friends. I'm not expecting 200, 300 participants because this is learning experience. I'm not expecting anything bigger audience. Even if I have like 20 audience, I'll be like happy. Okay, everyone says okay, I'll take it, right? So any swing traders in our group who wants the swing trading ideas, Okay, any swing traders, because I come from swing trading. If you ask me options versus swing trading, I would say I am a very, say, I would not say expert, but if you check my expertise level, I'm a very good swing trader rather than the option trader. If anyone in our group who is a swing trader, right, who want the swing trade ideas, I think now this is a best potential time for us to go for the swing trading. When I say swing trading, this is not long term investment, potential trade, that's it. Right, 1 is to 2. Let's say you're trading TCS, right? The moment you get 6% profit, you have to have 3% loss versus 6% profit. 1 is to 2 trades. Okay, so I'll be sharing the swing trading ideas also, and I'll introduce one of my friend, right? He's very good at swing trading, so I'll just hand over that responsibility to that guy. So basically he will be driving all the swing trading. So end of the day, what he does is like, wherever we get the potential swing trading ideas, we will just share with you. And the beauty of the swing trading, what we are doing is like, see, basically what I wanted to do is like, I'm not going to share you, okay, TCS is going up, that is not my view. So what I'll do is like, what is Nifty doing? So I'll do the sector analysis, right? What is Nifty doing? If Nifty is going up, what is the IT sector doing? Even if the IT sector is going up, and then I'll pick up the stocks from the IT sectors, whatever, whichever stock is at maybe support or giving the breakout. So based on this three analysis, we will be sharing you all the swing trading ideas. This is not something like randomly I'll pick up the trade. So basically what I meant to say is like, what is Nifty doing? Nifty is uptrend, your IT sector is uptrend. Within the IT sector, if there is any stock which is at the critical support, so then we will identify all those stocks and we'll give you, right? That will create, see, one thing is like, that is a learning experience for you how to do that. If you follow this swing trading for at least like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you don't even need any of the paid program. You can do your swing trading based on your comfort, and this is going to be like one of the potential opportunity for all the office goers, whoever cannot spend the good time on the because options requires the monitoring, boss. I would say option trading requires monitoring, not every glaring at this thing, at least every 1 hour you have to uh, watch the market. If someone wants a trade, I want to do the option trading but I'll not monitor the market, then that will not work, because you know how much volatile the market is. If someone is a office goer who want to have a peace of mind, I'll also explain you the swing trading. This is my what do we say, commitment. And now we can have a dedicated Q&A session. Let's say today we are discussing about how to improvise the Telegram channel, right? Maybe next week what we'll say, we'll have one dedicated channel, a live session every week, wherein we will cover the next week view plus potential strategies. And then if other maybe Saturday, I'm okay, even I'm okay for the Sunday also, we will have a dedicated Q&A session for one strategy. Let's say debit split. If required, we can have 3 sessions on debit split, right? I'll just keep the forum open. Whatever questions you have on the debit split, we will just have a dedicated Q&A session on debit split. So let's have like session 1, session 2, session 3, until you guys are clear with each and every perspective, and then we can go for ratio split. We can have 3 dedicated sessions for Q&A, and then we can go for iron flag. Likewise, we can go for all the strategies. I think this will take minimum 3 to 4 months. Okay, point number 1. Let me check the Q&A session. Okay, that would be great. Okay, yes, swing trading also. Vikas says by swing trades you mean just buy for delivery and swinging. You, yeah, I'll explain you. See, basically what I mean with this swing trading is not the short-term investment, the potential stock based on the Nifty, the index analysis, your sector analysis within the sector, whatever stock is giving. See, it is not only. See, it is not only buying an independent. I'll also tell you we can go for the debit spread also, but not for all the trades. I'll tell you like what all trades we can go for the FNO stock. You know FNO stocks, right? So whatever trade we have the liquidity, we can go for the debit spread. If say that particular stock is going up, we can deploy a debit spread. Let me show you. Let me show you one right away, one example. Okay, let me take you to my what is that option. So this is my trade. Okay. See, whatever I say, I do it, friend. Honestly, I'm telling. This is my TCS trade, right? Still, I'm holding this. This is my TCS. You know that TCS has a very good, what do we say, liquidity. So this is my TCS. So my only bet is, okay. So though my maximum loss is 6,000, okay. So TCS has to make a move of 4.49% in another 25 days. That's it. That's my bet. If it doesn't make, so what I'll do, maybe on 15th or maybe on 18th, I'll just try to cover this debit spread to ratio spread in terms of mitigating this loss, not entire loss, slowly I will do. But what I want is like next 25 days, TCS has to make a 4.49%. If someone wants to see why I went for TCS, I'll show you the this thing also. Why I went for TCS. The market is supreme, right? We know market. See, this is the view I have on TCS. Let me show you, right? This is making a typical. I'll go for 2 hours, right? So this is typical making a triangle pattern. So what I maybe I might have deployed the TCS here. So my only expectation is, right, if TCS breaks this support, I'll convert it to ratio spread. You got my meaning, right? If TCS breaks this support, I'll convert this to ratio spread. I'll mitigate my loss. Not all full 6,000. If I have capital on any given day, I can convert this to 0. If TCS breaks this support, but if TCS plays here and the moment it gives a bounce back, right? So then I'll get with this profit. Not 35% profit. I'll look out for 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%. So I have another 25 days. Check the beauty of debit spread. You will get 35% of the profit in case if TCS expires somewhere here by next expiry. So when is your next expiry? That is your 27th. Right, this is the beauty. So if you are very good at price action, believe me friends, with just 20,000 capital, that's it, 20,000 capital, you have the potential of getting 35% profit. But I'll not say 35%. Yes, you have to keep rolling up. At least you'll get with 5 to 10% or minimum 10% of the profit if you are very good at the price action. Okay, so let me look at the Q&A session. I'm not sure whether I'm honestly not reading all the questions. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, let me again take you back to yeah, I think we are done with the question. Let me take you to the first screen. Sorry, let me take you to the first screen. So Q&A on general topic, how to improve the Telegram channel, right? Request for any video, friends. I'll do one thing. Let's see. If you want, I can open a other channel wherein you guys can interact with other guys. So there you can put the request for me to come up with the videos. But do not blindly say that make a video on iron flip. Do your homework. I have already made 400 plus videos. Again, don't come and ask me, say that do this simulation. Do ask me a video. Give me a problematic statement, friends. See, this is what I want. Give me one problem what you guys have faced. That's it. Right? I'll try to come up with the solution. This is the deal I want to have between you and me. Give me a problematic statement. Let's say I deployed a trade. Suddenly the market was falling. I was unable to manage my MTM loss. So what? Give me that problem. I think I've made almost all the videos. That's where I've covered like 400 plus videos. But again, if you give me some genuine problematic videos, believe me, I'll come up with a solution for that. That's what I meant to say. Request for any videos. And then what next from hybrid trader is all about this second slide. That's it. So I'm coming with a quiz. I'm coming with like full week trade logic. As you said, daily I'll try to do 2 minutes video, and every week we can discuss this thing. I'm coming up with every Saturday we'll have a live session wherein we will discussing about the next week view, followed by what is the potential trades. Let me quickly show you, like you guys have to tell me by looking at Bank Nifty. Right? You have to tell me by looking at Bank Nifty, if you are following my videos, you have to tell me what potential you see in Bank Nifty as on date. I'll delete this, right? Let's say you're planning to take a trade on Monday. Okay, so what all trades you take, right? We have directional, we have non-directional. Okay, so see, this is your trade. This is out. So your market stands between this resistance level and this support level. So what I am expecting is, what my expectation is, right? Sorry guys, I'm taking your time. I'll open. So my expectation is like when market was here, I know, okay, market can go up. Sorry, where is that? Let me show you. I thought maybe market will go up and then it will take a resistance here and then market can come down. So this was my expectation. I might be wrong, but this was my expectation. Now what I'm expecting is like either market can come down from here, it can take a support and then it can fly, or else Monday market can open flat, it will go here, this will act as a very strong resistance. For the reason being, check this, right? It has already acted as a resistance 1, 2, 3, see, and then this is 4th resistance. This is going to be a very critical resistance. So now you guys tell me what all strategies. I would rather say See, how I will play the trade is what I will do. I'll go for a iron fly here, right? I'll go for a iron fly. For the reason being, what I'm expecting is, okay, I'll go for iron fly. Let's say market open this thing, so maybe this is my iron fly. That's it. So market will go up, and then if it comes down, so I'll be able to trap the market here. Trade number one. If someone is like worried about market can go up, I'll go for what ratio spread, right? I'll go for ratio spread. That is like 1:1:1. So your ratio spread with something will be like this, right? We all know, right? Something like this. Okay, this is your ratio spread. So this is your loss area. If market not loss area, this will be like zero loss. If market comes down, anyways you'll have zero loss. If slowly market keeps going up, you'll be able to trap market in this green zone. Right, we have discussed about two. Even you can go for iron fly, even you can go for ratio spread. Or else what I'll do, I'll go for a butterfly. I'll go for butterfly, something like this. Right? If you want to see the butterfly, I've deployed a butterfly in my real time. This is what I do, friend. This is what I do. If you look at my Nifty, I have deployed a butterfly. Right? Bear me for like five minutes, and then I'll open it for the Q&A. Okay, so this is what my butterfly trade. That's it, right? So I'm at a 49. So market, see, my view is like sideways to mild bearish. So if market was standing somewhere here on Friday. Okay, so now my view is like either market will be like slightly mild bullish. If that happens, I'll be able to trap the market here. I'll be able to get 18% profit. But you know, we don't get 18% because market has to expire at your sold position at 17,250. Right, the moment the market keeps going, I'll do the roll up. I'll make my butterfly green. Bear with me for next, like we have the expiry on, when is my expiry? 6th is the expiry. So anyways, I'm planning to come up with daily 2 minutes videos. So I'll explain you all this logic, right? My butterfly in Nifty, and then my, what is that, my debit spread already, debit spread, which is giving me a profit of almost 6% on the overnight. I'm still holding. But do you, friends, tell me one thing, I'm just playing with one lot. So let's say I played with 100 lots. So do you think still I'll be holding this trade? Let me show you, right? See, if I add 100 lots, so this will become like almost like 1,87,000 profit. Maybe a majority of my viewers will think boss is doing only 1,874. I know, right? What is 1,084? So don't look this profit in terms of absolute number. Check in terms of percentage. I've made almost 4.2% here. See, ideally, I'll not consider this as my capital. I'll ideally consider this as my capital. I'm not sure whether you consider this funds needed as your capital or the actual trading fund. Okay, even though I made almost 4.2% with the overnight. If I've added 2 zeros to my, what do we say, my capital, 2 zeros will get added here. Right, this is what, so this is like 1,87,000 profit. Do you think the moment I get 1,87,000 profit, I'll be like holding this trade? I'll be doing this all the adjustment? Absolute, I'll exit this trade. That's it. My target is 1% per month per week, friend. When I'm getting 4%, 4.2% within overnight trade, what more I can ask? Exit the trade. That's it. Leave that day and look out for fresh opportunity. And when I'm looking out for the fresh opportunity, I'll look out for a 100% confirmation. Unless and until I get a good trade, that's what this guy has said. I mean, I love this guy's interview. Again, I'll take back to you. Gansham, what did he say? Whenever he gets a profit, that was one of the learning from Gansham, honestly to me. What did he say? He's a typical option buyer. What did he say? The moment he get 20,000 profit, he will exit the profit, and then within that profit of 20,000, he takes 10%. So what is 10%? 2,000, and then he plays a normal intraday. That's it. 18,000 profit is blocking. That's it. And he'll play with 2,000. If that stop loss is met, he'll end that day. With the 2,000, if he's making 4,000, so again what he'll do, he'll book that 4,000. Again he'll play with the 2,000. That's it. That's one of the best learning I have with this video. And based on this video only, friend, I made all this this Q&A. See, I mean, I did not get, see, famous type. That's what he said, right? In one of the video, right, he said, was we have to become tortoise. We have to become tortoise, not rabbit. So whoever has given that, maybe out of 85, I think whoever has told rabbit, so he might be a very successful trader, or else he's experienced, but we have to become a tortoise. That's it. And I'm glad that 88% plus 14, right? Almost like 98% said we have to become a tortoise. There is no shortcut in the market. I'm so sorry. I mean, I've been taking your time. Okay, so where are we? I mean, so many comments. I'm glad to see so many comments. See, honestly, friend, I cannot go back to all the Q&A. So now my focus is only on the Q&A. If someone wants to ask any question, right, uh, ask me questions. Right now, I'm just focusing on your Q&A part. I'm done for the day. So next 20 minutes I'll just take. So can we again can we start a separate Telegram channel by giving edit access to everyone? Separate channel. Can everyone say yes for separate channel? No other questions. First, let's talk about the separate Telegram channel. Your videos are excellent content. If you possible, please make videos on DS life cycle. Okay, that's a good thought. Yeah, I can come up with the DS life cycle. Only we'll just discuss about the Telegram channel, friends. How many of you say that we have to come up with a new Telegram channel wherein you all can discuss among yourself? Sendil says yes. See, we have 34. At least I want 10 to 15 S. So 2 S. Okay, fast, friends. Only on the Telegram. Shravan says yes, Anna. Good to see the word Anna. Oh, yes, very good. Okay, yes, Bhavin Bhatia says no. Yeah, I mean, we'll see that. Why no? Okay, everyone says yes. Please start a separate channel. But I'll not play much role into that channel because you know that I'm not a full-time trader. And please, friends, try to maintain ethics in that group. So do not take anything on your personal, and it should not be anything on the religious and all this. It should be a Telegram channel wherein you have to discuss about the strategy. If I find that people are fighting over there with your strategy A, B, C, I'll just block that channel. Okay, great. Now tell me one thing. Should I stop making the videos in English? Because you have already 400 videos. Should I stop making the videos in English? See, when I said I'll not stop, but every week I'll launch 2 videos. That's it. Okay, let's talk about the videos in English. I'm not going to give all the videos too, but I'll try to come every Wednesday and every Friday. I'll come up with 2 videos in the English. Just 2 videos, or should I make unlimited videos? Because I mean, you have 15 videos with me already, which is in the private now. I'm not launching because your guys are not getting the time to digest it. Don't stop. Okay. Only on videos now. We are done with the Telegram channel. No for what? No for what? Please continue. Okay. You guys want me to do more videos? No, please continue English. Yes. Jaisima sir, you're very late. You're still talking about separate channel. Okay. Still, I'll take you. One of my guru is Jaisima sir. I mean, we discuss many things on the phone. More videos. Don't stop English. Good enough. More videos in English. Enable comments. Enable comments in the videos. What does it mean? Enable comments in the videos. You are open, right, to comments. Okay, please continue more videos. We need in Telugu. Yes, Telugu definitely I'm coming up. So if I'm starting the Telugu videos, that doesn't mean that I'm going to stop the English videos. And slowly I'm planning to come with Hindi videos also. Let's see how it goes. See, boss, already I made 400 videos in English. It's very easy for me to make videos in Telugu and also in Hindi. I don't want to do all those homeworks. And believe me, the Telugu videos and the Hindi videos will be going to be like 2.0, because when I started my journey in the English videos, whatever mistakes I've done, right? You know, right? The 6 months market has taught me. So my English, my Telugu videos and my Hindi videos are going to be 2.0, and all the English videos what I'm coming, that is going to be 2.0. Okay. We are South, we can't understand. Yeah. So no religion feeling. So I'll make videos for Telugu, for Hindi and English also. That's it. Yeah. That's the commitment for me. Right. So we have discussed about separate Telegram channel. This thing. So in the original Telegram channel, can I just go ahead with the same momentum I'm just going with? Right. Separate channel we will have, but in the existing Telegram channel, I'll do one thing. Right. I'll go in the same. See. My only ask for you all guys is, do not jump on. You have to concentrate on my written description. See, whenever I'm giving the trade, right, I'm just giving the description also. I'm not trying to show my profit. You'll not get anything by looking at my profit. Honestly, I'm telling you, you'll not get anything looking at my profit. Try to understand the psychology. Try to understand the adjustments what I'm doing. right? You have to deploy the same trade in Obstra, and you do the adjustments. Whatever adjustments I'm doing, you have to do the same adjustments once you're done with the office, and try to customize from your side also. You should not buttify, you should not mugify. Right? Whatever I'm telling, that is not right basically. Maybe I might be right only 70%, 60% because I'm also a learner. Okay, comments in Telegram. Jay Sinha is please same tempo is good. We are used to have okay. It comments in Telegram. Okay, that anyways we are going to do that. But see, if I give that comments edit access to my original channel, right, that will become mess for sure. So let's have a separate channel. Okay, and sir, take our Q&A please. Make it Discord. No, so I'm not sure. I mean, why we need to again. So what is the advantage? See, that's what. If I get some advantage in the Discord, please email me. You have my email ID, hybridtrader04 at the rate gmail. So I do not get any suggestions from you guys. Right? Right. This is end of the day. This is our channel. Right? You have to share your experiences. Good. I see that few people will share the experience like their own strategies. But you any benefit if I get from Discord, let me know in the email. Most of the people don't know Telugu. Okay, yeah. I mean, I'll make the videos in English, also Telugu also. Right? I'm a typical Hyderabadi, so you have to bear my Hindi. That's it. End of the day, language doesn't matter. Right? I'll take the numbers in English. Right? The content matters. That's it. At least for learning people, we need clarity, clarify some downs. Yeah, that's what. Need to way communication. Yeah, that's what. Right. Every weekend we'll have a dedicated Q&A session for debit. We'll not jump on to 2 minute strategy. That's it. We'll have 3 Q&A sessions for debit split. Okay, 3 Q&A sessions for ratio splits. Likewise, we'll just discuss about all the strategies. Guys, we have another 12 minutes. I can talk with you for 10 at 10 o'clock also. It's all right. Q&A. When will you start? So what Q&A? So yeah, two things are done. So anything what I'm missing? Anything what I'm missing? 1 second. Let me go back to that slide. Let me go back to how to improve the Telegram. We have discussed Q&A and generic. Yeah. Send it is sir. You speak good. I mean, boss. If you're able to say, I know, right? I mean, I try to keep it very simple. Actually, I try to keep it very simple. And one thing what I want to ask. This is from my personal friend. See, not all, but maybe 1% of the retailers are telling that you are repeating too many things. Boss, I'm doing that intentionally. I'm doing that intention. I know 60% of my viewers are new traders, basically fresh traders, right? Intentionally, I repeat so that everything gets into your brain. I can make see if I made a video like 30 minutes, I can believe me, I can make that videos in 5 minutes also. Majority of the YouTubers will make 5 minutes. For the rest of the 25 minutes, they wanted to charge you. If you want, I can charge also. I'll just make a 5 minutes fancy video with full what do we say edits and everything, right? Very fancy video. And for remaining 25 minutes, I'll say that you come join my group. I'll say that remaining. See again, people are not able to understand that. So do you want me to cut down, or do you want me to make a lengthy videos like 25, 30 minutes videos, or you want me to make 5 minutes videos? It's up to you. Yeah, I know we have only 32 watchers. I'll just go based on your this thing. I mean, I mean, are you guys okay for the 25 minutes videos, or you want me to make 5 minutes videos? I can make that. I mean, that will save my time, right? This is the one of the question I have like that repetition is definitely needed. Okay. Uh, and this will be direct saying in which there was a question on market monthly expectation returns for which the answer was 4%. You make 1 to 2% in intraday and overnight at the end of the month. See, but basically, if you look at my previous returns, right, since from last 6 months, I've been making more consistent profit. I'll not say in terms of percentage because this is like sort of experimental trades. The moment I become full-time trader, right, I'll become more conservative. Right now, I'm doing like more of experimental. Okay, 20 minutes, no time limit. Strategies are two sides of coin. It shows your consent. 25 minutes depending on the content. That's it. Okay, I do not have any issues. I'll just continue. But yeah, one thing is I'll try to cut down the videos for sure. Yeah, I mean I have a very bad habit of repeating, but the only uh, thing why I'm repeating is like I know that pain point. So whenever I go through any other YouTube videos when I've started my options journey, right? Unless and until I watch that video for 5 times, 6 times, I never used to understand anything. So that's where I wanted to cut down that pace. Because if you look at Kapil Dama's session, Rian's session, right? So they do not have this much of patience. So they are commercial basically. Yeah, obviously they become commercial. So everywhere they go for paid videos. Like tomorrow I might also become a commercial, but I'll do my best not to become the commercial. Right? Who knows? Right? End of the day, even I'm a human. Right? I can also become. But until then, until my learning curve, right, I'll ensure that my pace is very slow so that you guys are able to understand whatever pain I went through. I don't want you guys to watch those videos for 10 times, 15 times. I want you guys to watch those videos for one or two times. That's it. You are done. Okay, lengthy videos, no time limit in learning. Sir, which department you are working? Okay, so just to give, see, I mean, do you want me to make a video, live video session, friends? I mean, see, I do not have any issues sharing my name or this thing, right? Okay, let's plan out maybe next week, right? Let's plan out one live video session. So wherein I'll be like showing my face, or else, see, basically, I'm into information technology. If someone is from the QA testing background, I manage a testing team, so I'm working as a manager for one of the US retail company. So I come from testing background, a typical test manager, QA manager, the automation, Selenium. Right? If someone is from IT, especially from what do we say, from software, you can correlate me. Okay, so let's plan for one live session. Okay, and even I want you guys to present your screen. So let's plan it for one Zoom session, so wherein we will just I want you guys also to present your screen, right? So let's have a, very interactive session maybe next week. Let's go for Zoom. Yeah, best Zoom would be the ideal this thing, right? Most of us are office going, great. And see, one thing is seriously, whenever I go for all the quiz, right, I mean, I'm so happy that within my Telegram group, right, I know there are many successful traders, because looking at the response on the quiz, right, I can easily predict that we have a very experienced trader. And I feel so proud, and at times I feel tensed also, because whenever I make some quiz program, right, I know there are like successful traders also, very smart traders, so they would easily identify my mistakes. So I ensure that I'm not doing some obvious mistake. Yes, mistakes will happen from me. Forgive me for all those mistakes, friends, because I'm not doing that intentionally. End of the day, even I'm a learner. Okay, I will be happy to see you on screen. Okay, so क्या 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 फर्क पड़ेगा यार मुझे देख के आपको, right? So end of the day, okay, let's have a video session also. I think I've already shared my cricketing video, right? So at least people might know. But yeah, face wise, let's see. I will have it dedicated. And any other questions, friends? Any questions, concerns for me? Sir, it is possible that quiz is based on strategy, so that it will, yeah, absolutely. I'll make the quiz only on the strategy. You can expect 70 to 80 questions on debit spread. Debit spread is my baby. You can expect 80 to 90 questions on ratio spread. You can expect 100 questions on iron fly. So I'll ensure that I'm making that quiz program based on the strategy. I'll not jumble out. Yeah, that's what in, and believe me, friend, this the Q&A quiz, right? Maybe many people might be taking it lightly. You'll not find that type of content anywhere on the YouTube. Believe me. Tell me one site wherein they are giving you the real time. If you answer all those real based questions, right, you can become an expert. You can become an independent trader. I think that is a differentiator between the hybrid trader YouTube channel and the other channel. Yes, today my subscriber list is only 2000, but still I'm see, within 6 months, if I made 2000 subscribers, that is a great achievement for me, right? Many of you folks say that you are making good videos, but still your subscribers are less. But I have one complaint for you always. But see, I keep telling this, you are my sales team. When you are not putting that effort in terms of sharing my YouTube channel with your friends, I can't do anything, because whatever I've done, I have only trust on my content. That's it. Other than that, I'm not a marketing guy. If someone wants to share a good idea how to increase a subscriber, let me know. But at this time, I am not even giving that importance to the subscriber, because as and when the subscriber increase, right, you can expect more quality content from me. If the subscriber list keeps decreasing, right, so maybe another 6 months I might stop the YouTube video. By that time, I'll become the full-time trader. By that time, I'll become the full-time trader. If I'm managing 1 CR, 2 CR, right? Do you think I'll get that much of time in terms of doing the videos also? You're getting my point. So that's what, for next 6 months at least, you can expect free videos from me. See, sorry for saying free videos. You can expect videos from me. But if my subscriber list is not increasing, there is no point in me putting all the right. But tell me honestly, right? Tell me honestly, did anyone give that effort in terms of referring my videos to your friends? Right, call your friends, boss, call your friends, right? You have, see, whenever you have, right, you might be having 10 traders, right? Just call them and say that this guy is doing something good for us. I'll not say unique content. For me it is unique content. You have to tell him this is doing good, right? Just go subscribe, watch his videos, right? If you refer 10, the 10 will refer 10. That's it. But that kind of effort, honestly, I'm not seeing from you guys. That's it. So I have a general complaint, but I'm not looking at increasing my subscriber, right? Let's see how it goes, because I'm not a full-time trader, right? If I'm a full-time trader, right, even I can show you my live trades, I can show you my face, I can talk about my real trades. So then I'll increase my subscriber. I'm just a passive trader. Still, 2000 is a very good achievement for me. Two-way communication for serious learning, please. Okay. Yes, sir, definitely. So I'm just leaving it to you guys. 30, even I'm having 30 folks in this thing, even 30, if you refer like 10 each, that will become 300 the next day. I'll just leave it to you. Because already I've made a video, but I saw only that momentum within that 1 days or 1.5 days, I saw 140, but post that everything is again balanced. So slowly it is increasing. Yeah. What else, guys? Still 36. I'm glad that 36 viewers are watching still. Can you make shorts triangle on TCS Infosys now? If the put goes in the okay, let's see that. Subscriber is the outcome. It takes time. Your channel, it will be best. Absolutely, because even Vivek, yeah, absolutely. I'm not see honest. I'm telling what I'm targeting is like next 3 years at least. I want to see 10K subscriber. That's it. That is my goal. That's it. I'm not looking at 1 lakh, 2 lakh. See, I'll tell you one difference. If you look at all this, if you look at all the YouTubers, I mean, this, I'm not trying to praise myself. Even you take example of Riyansh, my first guru, even you take example of Kapil Dama, my second guru, right? So they started the YouTube journey once they became the full-time trader by having 8 years, 9 years of experience, right? So then they started the YouTube journey. But if you take my example, it's been only 6 months I've started the options, right? It is not something like I'm an expert trader. I've managed the client account. I'm managing a desk, right? I'm managing 2 CR account. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just a learner. As a learner, if I'm able to get 2,000 subscribers within a span of 5 months, 6 months, right? That's a great achievement for me. Yeah, once I become a full-time trader, so then I'll try to multiply my subscribers. I know how to do that, right? I'll start sharing my profits. Let's say I'm playing tomorrow with 1 CR capital. Even I'll show you like 5 digits profit also. I have that trust in me. So today I'm showing you only 1,000, 2,000 profit. Even that 1,000, 2,000 profit is like 6%, 4%. That's what I keep referring my profits in terms of percentages. Even tomorrow, even if I'm making 1 lakh profit, I'll not say I made 1 lakh. I'll say still I made 2% profit, 3% profit. I'll not take absolute number. Because 1 lakh profit on a capital of, if someone is making 1 lakh on a capital of 1 CR, that's a not great strategy, because even I can get that 1% profit also. Even that person is getting, but that absolute number you have to ask that person, boss, you have 1 lakh profit, right? What was your capital? If he says 1 CR, so then that's a normal strategy. If someone says I made 1 CR profit, you should ask him how much of capital you have used. If he says I've used 1,000 crore capital or 100 crore capital, that's not the miracle strategy. You and me can also do. But the sad part is we do not have that capital. And I keep on telling one thing: when the experienced people meet with money, right? Already I've made a video, and that is close to my art. It is close to my art, right? If experience meet with people with money, you know what happens. If someone is having low capital, explore the market. People will come to you and they'll ask you to manage their account. It's a win-win situation for. And I'll tell you I'll tell you one small thing, right? I mean, I stay in an apartment. All my neighbors, right, they follow my YouTube channel, right? Since from last 3 months, they are telling me, see, boss, I have my investment in my bank. They are giving 5%. Why don't you manage my account? But did I become a gambler? No. I said I need another 6 months to 1 year. Unless and until I explore the market from almost all the angles, I'm not going to take that risk. My close neighbors, my close family friends, they want me to manage their account. This can happen with you guys also. I'm not trying to say that I'm a superhero, right? Put the effort. What Gansham Tik said in his interviews, right? People will see only, okay, this guy is making once a year, but they'll not see what kind of effort they are putting. I have put my last 6 months of effort by sacrificing my personal time also. Success will not come overnight, friends. I'm sorry for right giving you this passion. I'm not a successful trader, but believe me, everyone starts with zero. Everyone starts with zero. Even I'm starting with zero. Maybe I might become a successful trader. So then you will realize all these words. Now if I say that, if I'm giving you law lamba choda version, you'll not understand because I'm still making smaller profits. Sorry guys, I mean I did not. What is this 10k? You will easily get, sir. Good Vivek. Okay, that's my deal. I'm just planning for next 3 years. Next 3 years, I want to see minimum 10k or 15k. That's it. That's my deal. Okay, sir, I did not understand basics from theta gainers, but you made my basics. That's what happened. See, Vivek. I mean, see, honestly, I met Riyansh also. See, there are two people, right? Commercial and this thing, right? So, even not say everything. See, boss, if you want to capture the retailers like you and me, right? They will say only A, B, C, D. That's it. For remaining, they'll charge you that monthly this thing. They'll charge you yearly, right? I've seen that so many friends. Any trader, they will only say basics, friends. Other than that, you have to trade on. You have to learn on your own. That's it. No one will tell you A, B, C, D till X, Y, Z. You have to explain on your own. Suresh, good night, boss. If you're like feeling sleepy, right? So can we conclude the session, or you have any other questions, friends? So today's Saturday. Today's Saturday. I mean, we have Sunday tomorrow. We can just relax. For people like you, God, for people like you, that's what I need your blessings, man. That's what nothing. Even if I become commercial tomorrow, do not curse me, but I need your blessings. Until today, see, I mean, I'm not trying to praise myself. You name the strategy, you have the end-to-end series in my YouTube. You name the strategy. And again, I'm telling you, give me one problematic area, problematic statement, I'll give you the solution. That's it. I'll make that video. Okay, Riyansh is good, Kapil is also good, but by following them, I just become Abhimanyu. I know how to enter in the trade, but in between something not go so in their videos, I feel that in trade. Okay. Right, so true. I say puzzles, but with your help, that puzzle is getting into this. Yeah, that's what. So, any other open questions? First, I'm okay. I can spend another 1 hour also. Any other open questions? Yeah, let's try to have the dedicated sessions from next weekend. But in general, any issues, concerns on me? And sorry, friends, if I've not answered your question because when I talk, I go into flow. That's a bad habit with me. So what is Abhinav? Are you deploying signature strategy one? Yes. See, basically what I do is like, I mean, I'm into experimental phase. Honestly, I'm telling, I trade all crazy things, contra trades and everything. See, unless and until you do things differently. That is PR Sundar quote, I believe. I'm not sure PR Sundar has copied from somewhere, but he says, don't do different things, but do things differently. That's the only one quote I've taken for PR Sundar. That's it. Other than that, nothing. I made a video. I released a video today. See, friends, I know how many of you like this video. Let me share you my this video. How many of you like this video? Tell me this video, the one which I'm projecting. Option seller with a option buying. 336 views here got. Tell me honestly, how many people have understood the context about this video? I know if you're a gambler, you'll not understand that video. But if you are a smart trader, right? You that's it, but that's not a less than a paid video. Okay, how many? So I want answer. Like, did you like that video or not? Don't say for the formality purpose, right? If you did not like that video, say I did not like the video. How many people have liked this video? That is one of my best video, friend. This is one of my best videos so far, and I keep doing that. Whenever the market is falling, I'll not stop myself in terms of buying the put with a strict stop loss. When you're sharing strategy, okay, start with BS. Okay, how many people have watched this video and how many people have understood that video? And to answer someone asked me a question, right? What do you play with your signature? I play all the experiments. I love contra trades. But the moment I become the full-time trader, I'll not do so many of experiments. Now, with my 5 lakhs of capital, I always deploy only 2 lakhs of capital. Remaining, so I wanted to, if I want to draw down my account, I have to draw down my 5 lakhs. The moment I scale up my capital, I don't want to do any mistakes. I don't want to do any mistakes. Whatever mistakes, whatever learning, whatever what do we say that blunders I have to do, right? I've made up my mind. I'll do with my 5 lakhs account, small account. That's it. Since from last 6 months, I've not even increased my capital. Honestly, okay, I understand, sir. I like. So don't say like you have to understand what I said. What I said. Right? Try to understand the psychology. What I'm trying to say. You have to buy the put whenever the market is falling down with a strict stop loss. Because if the market keeps falling, right, it will give you 3x time of the profit. See, if I start telling everything, video will become lengthy, right? Smart people will understand. Okay, and I like the videos, but I am not there enough to buy intraday. No, that's what I'm telling Shankar. See, when you say intraday put, right, give some decent amount of points. Don't go for 10 points. Within this volatility move, right, 10 points it will hit. Go for 100 points. Go for 50 points. Give some. See, that's what Gansham said, right? Gansham, the one other learning what I've learned from Gansham Tech is like he gives 10 per he do the intraday, and I was so surprised to see that he gives 10% to 15% stop loss on intraday. Basically, he knows that stop loss will not get hit. People, all the retailers sitting 10% on a capital, but he has built that system. I got what he meant to say. Do not be in that fear saying that, right. Give some good amount of stop loss. Don't give 10 points, 20 points. Give 50 points. Give 100 points. You have to build up that mindset. All right, let's discuss, right? So I clearly understood. At some point we miss your adjustments. Please keep the follow up. Yes, I understand. I used to get shiver when I am in position. Sometimes can't. But see, forget about fear. If you are fear, then don't trade. First learn. Play with single lot. Why? See? Go for risk defined strategies. Debit spreads are one of the beautiful risk defined strategies. Why do you go for strategies when you have the fear? Go for ratio spread 1:1:1. One of my hero and zero. There are like so many viewers. They are just doing the 1:1:1. That's it. They're not even constant. They are making good money. They're making good money. Why? See, the only reason why I am playing with all the experiment unless and until I play with all the strategies, I'll not come up with this contra trades thought process. But I think another 6 months I'll play. That's the reason I do not give you the timely updates. The moment I place the order, then I'll share the order. Before placing the order, if I share, you guys will go and place the order. If I'm not giving you the adjustments, unnecessary, you're putting your hard-earned money on risk. I don't want to get that done. Let's see how it goes for the next 6 months. Let's see. But first, for the next 6 months, keep your learning curve open. Don't look at the profit. See, seriously, I'm telling. If you are looking at the profit, you will not sustain the market. Market is ocean. Try to get 2 to 3 dollars. That's what I keep telling. Market is ocean. You have full money. Just try to get 3 to 4 drops per month. That's it. Your goal should be 3 to 4 drops per month. Believe the compounding interest. You will be surprised to see how much of money you will make. Because you are making 50%. As and when you become experienced, as and when you have that, you build up that mindset, you can slowly make it to 60. I shall not say 60%. 50% is huge. If you go put it in your calendar, let's see if you have a 10 lakhs, if you're making 50 percent per year, if you go and check the compounding, you'll become a millionaire actually. If you have that system, try to build your own system. Try to build your own system. And any other question I used to get, okay, credit spread is better than don't go for credit spreads, friend, right? Kanjia, right? Don't go for credit spread. Eliminate that credit spreads from your trading system. Credit spread should be used only as a adjustment, not as your primary trade. Please, I'm telling you, if you trust me, remove that credit spread as a primary thing. That is one of the, especially don't go for put credit spreads. See, honest I'm telling. And any other questions, friends? I mean, we have 27. I'm okay for another 30 minutes also. Yesterday in DS, you were in profit, but why did you? Yeah, that's a good question. I'll tell you why. See, basically, if you look at my see, why did I convert it to butterflies? If you look at my trade, so this is what happened, right? I'm expecting market will go up. right? Market can go up and it can bounce back, right? It can go up and it will bounce back. So that's what I wanted to make it a butterfly. And then why I converted to butterfly, you'll get to know. You'll get to know because already I've logged the profit. And what did I say? Ideally, I should have closed the trade because I got 6% profit in the morning. If you look at my Telegram, I almost got 6%. But you know, right? I am a opportunist actually. I'm just exploring the market. I'm doing weird combinations of experiments. Unless and until you guys do that, then you will get to know all the market conditions. Believe me, market condition is different for different days. Slowly, the viewers are uh, reducing. Okay, still I have 25. Any other questions, friends? Any other questions? I'm open. Or else, if you want to end the session. So, anyways, I'll not put this video. I'll just delete this video because that doesn't make any sense, right? I mean, this was more of a Q&A session. Yeah, let me put that video also. Even though we share our thoughts, we cannot deliver everything we think. Even though I'm not sure, okay. Promised one nonsense long, I'm going to see. I mean, see, try to understand. Not a full-time trader. I know I come up with so many. See, I'll tell you one thing. You, Naren, you said right. Someone called about the iron counter. But what is stopping you in terms of doing the adjustment? See, adjustments are not rocket science. If you understand, decouple the trades. See, whenever you have any trades, right? Let's say, see, I'll tell you one thing. Let me draw this, right? You have, see, this is what, why you are stopping yours. This is your iron fly. Let's say this is your iron fly. All right. What is iron fly basically? This is a combination of two credit spreads. So you have to decouple the iron fly. So when I say decouple, you have to say this is your one credit spread and this is one of your another credit spread, like put and credit spread. Combination of two credit spread is your iron fly. All right. And let me tell you what is basically butterfly. This is combination of one debit spread, if I'm talking about call debit spread, and combination of one credit spread. See, unless and until you decouple the trades, you're not going to understand. Now check me, what is iron counter basically? You go and see, I'll not tell you what is iron counter. You decouple your iron counter and then you'll get to know. Unless and see, don't restrict yourself in terms. You have obstra, boss. You have obstra. Go deploy, put the obstra, and do your adjustments. You'll get to know. I can do that. But if you do that on your own, right, you will get with too many thought process. Okay, what always how to improve profit when DS convert? Okay, thanks dear. In comments, what is that? How to improve? And sir, please make a video on ratio backspread. Yeah, absolutely. Ratios. Well, that's a good point, Shankar. Ratio backspread is one of my signature strategy. But believe me, do not deploy the back ratio spread as an independent trade. You have I use back ratio spread as a contra. As a contra. You'll get to know. I'll share that. That has made my job easy. Okay. And then unique trader. Contra trade is one of the unique strategy combined with butterfly. I think this will always absolutely, I'm telling boss. The contra name sounds very technical. No one will talk. Not even PR Sundar will talk. Not even Divash, but they do that. You know, PR Sundar has its own signature strategy. Kapil Dama will have his own signature strategy. Deansh will have his own signature strategy. All the so-called successful traders will have their own signature strategy. They will not reveal. They will not reveal their signature strategy. So who is stopping you in terms of coming up with your own signature strategy? Believe me, I have 7 signature strategies with me. I'm not trying to praise. I have 7 signature strategies with me. Increase my subscriber list. I'll release you. If I show you one signature strategy that has 95% of success rate, 95%. Believe me, friend, I trade them. And to answer all your questions, friends, I've opened 2 accounts with 15 to 20 lakhs, 2 different accounts. I've started the journey. So wherein one account is only for butterfly, that's it. I'll start sharing all the trades. Maybe give me like 1 or 2 weeks of time. Me and my other friends, couple of friends, we have already started the butterfly. That is one account, and the other account is only with debit spread. That's it. Debit spread with Contra is one account, and the other one is like butterfly with, I call it, I mean, already, if you look at this thing, right, let me show you. See, whenever I say something, I mean it. But what I need is I need subscriber to be increased, like with, See, you guys are not helping me. Honestly, I'm telling you guys are not helping me in terms of getting the what do we say the new subscribers. You are enjoying the video, but you're not helping me in terms of increasing the subscriber list. Okay, where is that? Right, I made a 1 second. Where did I put that? I said right 60 debit. Said something 60 debit. Yeah, this is my signature strategy. This is my signature strategy. The 60 debit. Smart people can know this, but believe me, this we have simulated. We have done for like 10 weeks, 12 weeks, and this is giving me peace of mind. Right, this is giving me, this will save my capital. Forget about profit. If it gives the profit, it will give like anything, but this will save your capital. This is not for the gambler people. This is for the conservative people. You know, right, my approach is save capital. This is what I've learned from Kapil Dama and Riyansh. That's what I follow, these two gurus. These two are not aggressive traders. Riyansh keep on telling that if you are able to generate 4% per month, you should be happy. That's what I like, Riyansh. Kapil Dama always says, if single penny profit is a profit for me, even if I get 1 rupee profit, that's a profit for me, but I don't want to lose my capital. These two things I've learned from Riyansh and Kapil Dama. Forget about the strategies, right? Because they have told only A B C D, but now at least I'm at A B C D E F G H I J K L M. I'll not say I'm at X Y Z. I have to explore, right? Basics I have tried, but two things what I've learned from them is like, by save your capital. Save your capital. Again, I'm telling you, think from saving your capital. Don't give importance to profit. Whenever I trade, whenever I deploy any trade, touch wood, believe me, friend, I'll show you one thing. See, let's say I've deployed this trade. Okay, let me show you. Let's say I've deployed. I'll not give any importance to this profit. And you guys might be wondering, is he mad or what? I do not give any importance to this profit. My focus is how to reduce this loss. That's it. How to reduce the loss is my focus. I don't even give importance to this profit. I don't want this 18%. Honestly, I'm telling, I'm not expecting 18% in 1 week. I'll be like more happy if I get 2%. 1% is more than enough. If I get 2% profit, I'll be like more happy. Just because I'm playing with single lots, yes, the profit is only 1000, but just imagine if I add 100 lots here, 200 lots here, right? I want to develop that skill now. My next focus is, that's where I have two accounts now. Believe me, friends, I have two accounts. 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs. This is my butterfly, pure butterfly. This is my debit split. Obviously, I am going to manage this two Contra. Simple. I'm just telling you. This 20 lakhs and this 20 lakhs, I'll deploy as an independent trade. I'll manage as an independent trade, but this will become my contract. That's it. I've given you. Now you have to design your own contract. Stay with me for another 6 months, right? You will become an independent trader. Contra trade is only okay. So now audience are again 27. Okay. So where are we, friends? Okay. Any other questions? Today's Saturday, right? End of the day, we are talking about something, right? Wherein you can make your life, friends. Seriously, when Ghanshyam Tech can do, when Kapil Dama can do, when Byansh can do, when I can do, right? You know my mathematics skills. You know, right? When I can do, anyone on this earth can do. That is not at all a rocket science. If you want to see successful, you have to see into that 1%. Okay. I saw you are started trading butterfly in M stock. Please let us know about the explanation. Okay. How to improve profit with DS? I'll show you. See, again, everyone is talking about profit. Friends, forget about profit. No one is asking me how to reduce the loss. This is what happens. You change your mindset. By profit पे ध्यान मत दो. Honest I'm telling, if you have some हिंदी, अगर profit पे बिल्कुल ध्यान मत दो. अगर तुम profit पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, you're doing something wrong. प्रॉफिट आएगा, मार्केट तुम्हें मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, छप्पर पाड़ के मार्केट प्रॉफिट देगा. डोंट गिव इंपॉर्टेंस टू प्रॉफिट. भाई सुनो मेरी बात, राइट? बट विद एक्सपीरियंस मैं बोल रहा हूँ, प्रॉफिट पे ध्यान मत दो. एक भी कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा है कि भाई कैसे मैं लॉस को मिटिगेट करूँ. एवरीवन रन्स बिहाइंड प्रॉफिट. एवरीवन रन्स बिहाइंड प्रॉफिट. छोड़ दो, प्रॉफिट छोड़ दो ना. I'll tell you one thing. Even मेरे अकाउंट पे, say I'll tell you one thing, right? Let's say I have a 10 lakh capital. After 3 months, today let's say this is almost October. I have 10 lakhs of capital. October, November, December, by December 31st अगर मेरा अकाउंट तभी भी 10 lakhs दिख रहा है ना, I'll tap myself saying that भाई तू तो तुड़ू में कुछ कुछ अलग ही किया मार्केट में. Even though if I've saved my capital 10 lakhs until December 31st, I am already a successful trader. ये challenge करके देखो आप लोग. But यहाँ पे क्या होता है, everyone talks about profit, right? And friends, this guy, there is one guy called Anmantu, right? If you look at the comment section, he's my, see, I mean, he's going to be like my friend, right? I mean, though he gives all the comments, even he runs behind the profit. I might have had a discussion with this Anmantu Gaut, right? I might have discussion. Now he has made up his mind. Yes, we should not run behind the profit. We should reduce the loss. If you have that system of reducing the loss, you will become a successful trader. I'm not sure whether you guys are with me or not, but this is the fact. That's it. Okay, any other questions? Another can we reach you through email? Yeah, you can always see, but don't expect me to reply. That's what I'm telling you. If something urgent, I'll definitely reply. But if you start sharing your trades and if you're asking me how to do the adjustments, I cannot do it because I have my office, I am married, I have my kids. Now even my wife is very angry. Right? I mean, see, this is weekend. You're spending 1 hour, 2 hour, right? I'll manage my wife altogether, right? Because this is my personal time, right? But trading has become a passion for me. That's the reason. This is a stress buster for me. All right. Another can be reached through. Yeah, you reach out. You can reach out to me on my email. I'm with you. Great. If there is a huge volatile market, full up and down, and even if the adjustment giving loss, so what should be the idea? That's it. This is a very good question. Simple, friends. Whenever you deploy the trade, I know we cannot deploy the stop loss, especially for the overnight. Okay, have that stop loss in mind. Have that stop loss in mind. I will go for 3% stop loss. Seriously, I'm telling you. See, 2% days are gone. See, with this volatile market, 2% are getting triggered. I mean, very easily. I'll have 3% as my stop loss. So whenever any of the trade is giving me 3% stop loss, I don't even think. That's it. Exit. Accept that loss. Accept that loss, boss. This will happen only when you have volatile moves. No one in this universe can manage the volatile move unless and until you. That's where I've developed that skill of what the contra trade. Let's see. I'll tell you one example. See, you might be ignoring my contra trade. Let's say what is the contra trade of this thing. Let's say, see, I've logged my profit here. I log my profit here. Simple, right? So now, if I want to capture this 972, okay, so what will be my contra trade? I can go for one option buying on Monday. Let's say the market is falling. Let's say the market is falling, right? Market stands here. See, what is the premium I have to capture here? Let me show you, right? If this calculation, if you're not doing right, then you're not a trader. That's it. See what I'll do, I'll show you in front of you, right? I have to capture only this 972 points to make my trade green, right? Divided by 25, right? 38 points. So let's say if I buy, let's say the market stands here. Let me erase all this thing. Let's say the market stands here, right? If my view says market will go down, I'll just buy a option P buy. I'll put my target 38 points. I'll put my stop loss 38 points. Not 38, I'm just taking, okay. Let me put my target as 50 points. Let me put my target stop loss as 50 points. Right? If market goes down, okay, I'll get my 50 points, right? So ideally I made this loss 0. Point number 1. If market goes up, my 50 points loss is it, but I made my trade in such a way that it is in my green zone now. By just giving that 50 points, right? Again I'm back to my green zone. But hope you got my point or not. This is called contra. See, by just sacrificing this, if market goes down, I'll get this 50 points. If my stop loss is it, what does that mean? Market was standing here. If my stop loss it is when market went against my view, I'll accept this 50 points, but again I bought my trade to green. Now I'll do one small roll up. The moment I do the roll up, my trade will become green from downside. But this is common sense. I'll not say rocket science. Even when I started my option journey, this looks very complicated, but as and when I've started practicing, I know this trade and I can use this trade as a contra for me. This is butterfly. This is my butterfly in Bank Nifty, I can use my this one Nifty as a contra trade also. I will use my Nifty as a contra trade. I'll deploy this Nifty. This is not a contra, but basically this I can use my Nifty as a contra trade. This is what I call contra trade. This is the what I meant to say contra trade is like at any given day you should not be giving anything to market. Yeah, unless and until if something is like you have a huge 10% gap down, right? Circuit 5% gap down. That's what I never keep my put side unlimited loss. At least I'll take the risk of keeping my call side unlimited, but not my put side, because market can have a 10% gap circuit gap down with a circuit 10%, but market cannot have 10% gap up. For the simple reason being, to get the market down, we need a bad news. To get market up, we need huge money. Right? Do you think FIs are there only to get the market up and down? And you should understand this. Even if you look at this FI, don't forget this. FIs are also human beings. They are not gods. 50% will say up, market will go up. 50% will say market will come down. So you have to be somewhere here between these two guys. That's it. FIs are not God. We say that FIS will make the market, they can take the market up and down. Yes, they have that power, they have that money, huge money. But within FI, 50% are, can they say market will go up, 50% will say market will go down. No, right? You're getting my point, right? This is what happens with FIS. FIS not is not something like only one or two. There are like hundreds of FIS. Different FIS will have different mindset, different thought process, different perspective about the market. You have to take the advantage. Okay, any other questions? What is Amantu asking? Okay, bro, let me tell you. I'm using it from 3 months, as you said. Glad, but I will be tracking minutes by minutes go through. Okay, so guys, I think can we end the meeting now? I think it's already 10:30. At least I was able to brush up my all my this thing. Okay. So if you guys say yes, if you can just conclude the meeting, let me know. I'll conclude the meeting. TCS is standalone trade or any no, TCS is a standalone trade. TCS is a standalone trade. And I'm just experimenting it. That's it. Shankar said, yeah, I think dinner time, believe. Even I did not have the dinner, so now I'll have my dinner. So next time, let's have a video session. I'll have a Google meeting. So let's share our screen. Let's even you have to share your screen. Let's have a what do we say? A very interactive session. And again, I'm telling you guys, please, you have to do that hard work. See, I'll not say hard work. If you want, you can do that. Please share my YouTube channel within your Twitter, within your Telegram, within your circle. It takes 1 second, boss. See, you're not doing. I'm not asking you to do a crime. See, when you are getting benefit, right? So there are like thousands, lakhs of traders who are looking out for these videos. Unless and until they get to this video, the subscriber will not increase. I'll not even get that interest. As and when the subscriber list is increasing, my what do we say, that interest towards the unique content is also increasing. Okay, all right. So the good night, folks. I think we had a very good session today. Okay, so let's see if I want to make a video tomorrow, I'll take a poll tomorrow. Let's see. We can just make a video tomorrow also. All right. So good night, friends. Have a good sleep and have a good weekend.